Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best. In this video, as you can see, we've got Graco Booster Basic Group 3 car seat. This is one of the basic ones that are available on Amazon. Um, this is literally an unboxing of that. It's not an installation on the car, it's just an unboxing just to show what a 24 quid Booster Basic looks like. This is the one that you typically use with your younger kids. Not so young, as it says 6 years to approximately 12 years, with the weight capacity mentioned on the top of the box, 22 kilos to 36 kilos. And over here, two retractable cup holders, washable seat cover, two position adjustable armrests, and that's the picture of the booster seat. And at the back, obviously, it's got all the knobs and nuts to connect to basically attach it to your car. And not a lot of information on the box. Some information on this side in different languages, basically. As you can see, quantity 1 product color is Opal Sky, and it's been shipped from the UK. Product of Wonder Brands Limited, from Hong Kong. So that's pretty much it. It says obviously the gross weight is 2.51 kilos, and the net weight of the product specifically is 1.98 kilos, and the box size, dimensions, and things like that. And that's pretty much it on the box. So let's just quickly go ahead and unbox this this one. Probably from this side. That's the top. It seems this is the top. Wow, it's must have torn apart the box on the sides. Okay, there we are, almost done, and there we are. The box has been opened, and as you can see, we have the Opal Sky version. Let's just get it out of the box. Oopsie daisy. Bit hard to get it out of the box. And it's got these cup holders as well. Two retractable cup holders, as it was mentioned on the box itself. So you've got two retractable cup holders, the capacity, size, weight, and things like that. Comes with these safety cardboards, and there's this this bag, brand new, of course. And the seat's quite comfy, nice and comfy, squidgy at the top. And this is basically the cover. Underneath it's all plastic, ABS plastic on the top. And you've got the, let's just cut it off, the cable tie, or the tie that let's just try and cut it off. Oh, let me just find the scissors, just a moment. Got the scissors, let's just quickly cut it off. Ow! Okay, I cut my finger. Anyway, okay, it's not too bad, it's just a pinch. Okay, so in this package, sorry, you've got this book. This is the Booster Basic. Talks about the user information, and a tie that there's probably to tie somewhere. We can look at that. This is the Booster Basic, and this is the warranty guide. No, this is the Deluxe Booster Basic. So I don't know. This is, I don't know if it's Deluxe, but there are two books of these. It seems they're just the same, and it says keep for future reference. Maybe not for for current reference, future reference maybe. But yeah, okay. So if you look at the car seat, or the car booster, you've got the cup holders, the two retractable cup holders. So if you open this, you can keep your bottles and things like that, or cups. I've got just this bottle for reference, so I'm just going to use this. Don't mind. It's obviously not an appropriate example. These are the two cup holders that are available. Graco branding at in the front, and on the side you've got this this red type thing. I don't know if it's a button or something. No, it's not. Okay. So on the side you've got nothing really. How do we connect this to the car seat? It's a bit awkward. Okay, two handles of course. Strong and sturdy. Strong ABS plastic. Oh, I think this should come off in some way. I don't know if pressing this gets it off. Maybe. You can try. There are some instructions here. I don't know if you can see this. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Hope you can see this. Okay, so there are some instructions on the side. So this is how the belt connects, and this is how the child's going to sit on top of the seat, and the belt also goes across from the bottom. So the top goes like this, and the bottom part goes across. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. That's the car seat. Let's just turn it around and see how it looks. All plastics. This is very basic of what you'll get in terms of the booster seat. There's this washing instruction, I think. It is obviously washable, and it's all tied with these ties at the knob here. Just not able to get it out, but it's got the Graco ECE Universal, some sort of information on the side. But I think that's pretty much it. There's nothing else to share. I think this goes at the back. I'm not entirely sure. This is the first booster seat I've got. Just wanted to share. If you've got any questions or queries with regards to this particular product, do share in the comments, and I'll try and figure out in terms of where to find more information about this specific item. Let me just zoom on a little bit. Okay, good. So yeah, nice and clear. And that's the product really. You've got these these two books which are pretty much identical. The two of them. This is the other one, and it talks about how you tie your car seat and things like that. How it works across. So this works across. So you need to sort of tie this thing with the seat belt, as you can see in this illustration. So this is required pretty much. I think that's really it. 1 year warranty. I haven't seen that in this book though, but it comes with 1 year warranty. Graco information, product of Graco, and customer service is available in EU and PL. I don't know, but yeah, there's information, the contact number for the UK, so you can covers the Europe really, and the height information also, 0 to 125 centimeters. You can't go beyond that. That's the maximum height that you'd use, because obviously you would have the upper part of your car beyond this, because it's already boosting your height a little bit. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you've got any questions or queries, as I mentioned, you just post them in the comment section. I'll try and address those as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to My Next Best. Do subscribe, guys. That helps a lot. Alright, take care and have a good rest of your day. Cheers, bye.